everyone, and welcome to Creative Living. My name is Miranda, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I made this pretty candle holder. I've seen it on several websites and I really love the look of it. So let's jump right into the video and show you how it's made. For this video I'm going to try to recreate this lovely candle holder. I seen it and I thought, wow, it is so pretty. I noticed the sides, it kind of looks like acrylic gems. So I'm going to use diamond wrap right there, and I seen the price is $213. Wow. So I'm going to try to make this using products from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. I have 6 metal cans from the Dollar Tree, or 10 cans, and I'm just going to take them and lay them out where I've got 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom, and I'm just going to stack them. And then I'm just going to take some E6000 and some Gorilla Hot Glue and glue them all together. I'm going to glue the sides using the same method. I'm just going to use the E6000, and then I'm going to turn around and use the hot glue. And I really want these boxes or tin containers to stay together. So I've grabbed a roll of duct tape and I'm just going to go around it a couple of times to make sure that this rectangular box that we're making is going to be really sturdy and really durable. And since we're going to be gluing mirrors to this, I'm going to test it out and shake it, and I really want to make sure that what I'm gluing this to is good. I just took a piece of foam board and I cut a piece for each side and also one for the top, and I glued that on there, and I'm going to test that out and make sure it's on there good as well. I start gluing any mirrors to it, I'm going to take each mirror and I'm going to scrape all the little legs or the little foam pieces off there. These mirrors on the top, they are not glued down, but there's this little gap right there, and I'm trying to figure out how to close that. So all I do is I take some foam board and cut that to fit and size it, and I just needed 3 pieces, and on the other side I needed 1, so I'll just go ahead and glue them both to each side. Gluing all 3 pieces of the foam board together to make one, and I'm going to glue that on the side. For the other side, I just needed 1 piece of foam board, so I'm going to glue that down as well. This is where I'm getting ready to glue the first mirror down, and I'm just wanting to put the other mirrors around it to see how it's going to fit, and I'm loving how it's fit. And so I'm just going to go ahead with some E6000 and hot glue and glue that on there, and then I'm just going to turn around and do the opposite side. And what I'm doing is I'm just gluing from each end to the center. All my end pieces are together. I want to take my top mirrors, the ones that go in the end, and I want to see how they're going to fit. So I slide them in each other and they're perfect. I'm so happy that they're just perfect. Everything is square and it's lining up just great. And I checked the other side, and so now I'm ready to glue my top mirrors down. Now that I have all my mirrors glued down, I'm just going to take some diamond wrap and cover the white foam board, And after that, I'm taking my little glass tea light candles I got at the Dollar Tree. I got 2 of those, and I'm going to put those, one on each candle. I'm sorry, one on each mirror, and then put my tea light candles in it, and I'm finished. And it was actually really easy, and it looks so lovely. The durability of the box. I can hold it in the center. I can hold it on the edge, not that you would want to do that, but it is a solid piece. It's made really good. I've tested it out and it's good. So I just want to reassure you that with E6000 and Gorilla Hot Glue onto the foam and the way it's made underneath, I don't believe there's going to be any problems picking it up or moving it around. Especially, you know, if you spend $230 or what was it, $213 on a candle holder, I don't think you're going to be throwing it across the room like a football anyway. But so that's it. It's really simple to make, and it's nice and durable. So I hope that you like this video and this project. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a very wonderful and blessed day. I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye!